Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of outline. A line or set enclosing an object's shape in a diagram or sketch. For example, fill in the outlines with color. The second definition of outline. A plan or general description that identifies the key features of something, but not the details. For example, an outline of the theory of evolution. American pronunciation. Outline. Outline. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Outline. Say. Outline. Outline means line indicating something's shape. Outline. Outline. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It becomes softer and the outlines more sketchy. Now, repeat after me. It becomes softer and the outlines more sketchy. The second practice. Some pentimenti are also evident in the underdrawn outlines. Now, repeat after me. Some pentimenti are also evident in the underdrawn outlines.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.